Hello, welcome to my channel, Fun with Charlene. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and become part of the family. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy DIY from Amazon. It's a table, little bistro set, and it's easy to do in 4 easy steps. This is step 1 right here, just putting it together to get the base of it. And it's very nice. You can use this little rack as a wine rack. Put your wine up under the table there. So step 2 is to put the tabletop on, and it's upside down. So we're going to screw in the screws for the tabletop. The only tool that was needed for this was an Allen wrench. This is one of the easiest projects I have ever done. 30 minutes and I have a table and 2 chairs put together in 4 easy steps. This was just magnificent. Step 3 is putting the back on the chair. Now to put the 2 chairs together. Those were extremely easy to do. I'm just showing you some of the details of how they have it where you can put it together. It was so easy. You slide the back down into the pre-cut circles and everything just aligns right up. And if it doesn't, that means you put it on the wrong side. Alright, step 4, putting the seat part on. This was so easy, and this was the first time I did a project where I didn't have to unscrew something because I put it on the wrong way. I actually put everything on perfectly. Tighten up all the screws and voila, there you have it. Isn't that beautiful? A 2-seat. I call it my little bistro. And it's from Amazon. I hope you all have enjoyed this quick DIY project. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. And please keep on coming back. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thank you all for coming, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.